Get it? Is this cheaper than you are? Get it. Good boy. You go get them? Robin.
How are you doing?
You're gonna get lost in there.
It's like, I don't understand all these sticky things.
Robin.
Robin.
Go get Sandra's.
Get
Robin,
Sandy.
Robin, look. You see the snowball? Robin, get the snowball. Go get the snowball.
Good boy. That's it.
Good boy, you got it.
Wait, what does he do when you shake the tree?
He chases the snow that's falling.
Oh, that's cute. We gotta try that. He's so better than
Yeah, shake. Yeah.
I tried to teach him that earlier by shaking my head.
Yeah, I did that with Ozzy. And I move my whole body.
You,
What's
you,
under there, Robin?
Go get it. Go get it.
Oh, I don't know where it was.
Sniff it out, Robin. The round snowball. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? You find it?
Oh, he has a huge snowball stuck on his
Oh, look, he's pushing his own snowball.
To make it out.
Yay! Oh, what a good boy. Oh,
Mm.
you are cute.
Robin, do you have snowballs on you? Do they attack? Robin, get it.
Ready?
He's got a huge one on his
Yeah, I know.
bum.
Robin, look. Look, now.
Look. Look.
Ready? Go. Go.
Yay!
Does he take note of images on TV?
He sort of does. He sort of just goes to the computer screen. Get it, Robin.
Ready, Robin?
Waiting for Sandra to get snowy.
I'm telling you, Frisbee.
Yeah. Yay! Robbie, you gotta work out your timing.
He was a little
Robin.
Oh my God, I love these jumps.
so cute.
Yay!
He's just a little off.
Oh, God, yes.
He can shake the tree himself. Oh.
He's like, I figured out where this comes from.
Yeah.
I can catch over there.
Wow.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Robin.